Managing a network for research, education, and the public interest isn't easy. The work is important. The needs are always changing. And there's no room for error. From responding to trouble tickets and assisting users, to fixing problems and planning upgrades, you might feel stretched thin. And that's before you've even had a chance to think about things like new network technologies or software tools. You need help. You talk to some commercial providers, but they don't seem to get it. Scientists, researchers, and educators need things to be seamless. You need personalized attention and customized services. And you're on a budget. That's where we come in. We're Global GNOC at Indiana University. Our job is to help local, regional, and national R&E networks run smoothly. We're not a commercial service provider. We only serve research and education and the public sector. We work as an extension of your team, as committed to your organization's success as you are. With Global GNOC, you get the benefit of being part of a collaborative community. We know the challenges you face, and we're ready to help. The Global GNOC has been supporting and building national, international, and regional R&E networks for over 20 years. Our work supports colleges and universities, K-12 schools, government institutions, and nonprofit agencies from across the U.S. and beyond. Our mission is simple: great networks, great support, and great outcomes for scientists, researchers, and educators to advance discovery and serve the greater good. We don't answer to shareholders, so we can offer flexible, customized solutions to meet your needs and budget. There's no slick sales team at the Global GNOC. We're a team of engineers and developers who speak your language, understand your challenges, and genuinely enjoy the work we do. Maybe you need network management software customized for you, or someone to answer calls and watch your network for problems. Maybe you're a growing network, but daunted by the expense and effort of building your own engineering team. Or maybe you want to improve your operations, but could use some guidance to figure out what's possible. Reach out to us by phone or email. Let's talk about how Global GNOC can help your network. We'll keep the network humming so you can focus on your mission in delivering valuable services to your community.